Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to register for copyright. First, determine if your work, like a book or song, qualifies for protection. Next, collect all relevant details about your creation, including its title and author. Finally, select the appropriate application form from the U.S. Copyright Office website. Now, let's complete the application. Carefully enter all required information into the online form. Be sure to clearly identify the author and the copyright claimant. Also, provide a concise description of your work and its completion date. Accuracy here is key for a smooth process. The next crucial step is submitting your deposit. This is a copy of the work you want to protect. Make sure your deposit adheres to the specific format guidelines provided by the Copyright Office. For many works, digital submission is the most convenient and efficient method. Finally, you'll pay the filing fee, which is typically around $65 for a single work. Before clicking Submit, carefully review all your entered information for any errors. After submission, you'll receive a confirmation and can track your application's progress online.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.